Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys can see here, today is the 17th, and we are here trying to make things happen. Now we're gonna go ahead and discuss a couple of things that's been happening in the market. All right. So today, just to start off with, congratulations to all the team that did pretty good trading first thing. Let's go ahead and break down. We're gonna go ahead and break down. Let me go ahead and get it closer. The TSM today. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm Mr. Full Profit, as you guys know. So again, we are really happy to have everyone here. Thanks a lot, the subscribers. Go ahead and like and share it with your friends, and as well, we also have the Patreon channel open. So what we're gonna be talking about right now, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what ended up happening today on the TSM. Okay. So again, my name is Mr. Full Profit. And let's go ahead and get started. All right. So we have a couple of things that happened today on TSM. You guys could go ahead and check out my earliest video on earnings. Okay. So this is what we have here on the earnings. Let me go ahead and check something here. So as you guys know, today was a day that a lot of news came in. Okay. So let me go ahead and check something here. The economy calendar. Okay. So we have to have today the economy calendar as well. So allow me 1 second. It's really important when we're looking at those information. Okay. So now, if you look at the economy, this is investing.com. I would recommend that you guys go ahead. It's free. You guys could go ahead and see what's happening today. The earnings came out when it comes to Nflx. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and briefly show you guys how this thing operates. Let me go ahead and get it closer, a little closer. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Let me go ahead and adjust. I'm a one-person team here. I know it's a little. Okay. Here you can see what's happening with the earnings. Okay, so Nflx. Let's go ahead and start with Nflx. As you guys can see here, look at Nflx. This is the Nflx earning date. Today, earning. Woo! Wow. The revenue, the EPS was 540. Forecast was 512. The revenue was 9.82 billion. And the forecast was 9.77. It wasn't too much out. But now, let's go back and check TSM. Woo! Okay. I just want to make sure you guys understand where to find the earnings. Again, it's investing.com. Same thing as well. EPS was 195. Forecast was 179. Revenue was 23.62. And forecast was... So slightly they both did. Now let's go back to the chart. This is what ended up happening today, and I want to go ahead and break it down. Team, okay, this is pre-market, but I was already invested in TSM because I knew that according to the my daily chart and my weekly chart. Okay, this is my Thinkorswim platform. Now, I know it's a little confusing. I'm going to go ahead and bring up my Reboot platform. Those, I use them to do my analysis, okay? Now, team, this is the weekly chart and this is the daily chart. I want to make sure that everyone could see it. exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sorry about that. So everybody could see exactly the chart. All right. We're gonna break down. Take notes, okay? I'm gonna keep repeating that until you guys get it. This is what's happening. Anytime that you see the daily chart is already green on the MACD in an uptrend, as you guys can see, don't worry about the red candle as earning before that happened. And if you look at this as well, let me enlarge it. You guys could see, I'm gonna go ahead and put a line here. I want you guys to copy that, okay? This is the latest high point. And if you see that the MACD are curving above and already forming on the weekly chart, a green candle, most of the time that it'll pop. So that's why we have about 18 something dollars up. I was able to make some profit this morning. Now, I'm going to show you the difference on Nflx. I was skeptical about Nflx a little bit. As you guys could see, right? Nflx MACD, what end up happening? The difference is it's on a red going down, and also on the weekly chart is red. But this is not the problem. The problem is that when a stock is like this on earnings, anyway, on earnings is risky. So you don't take that many positions, okay? Unless you're doing Rebu, you're on the Rebu platform, you're trading pre-market or after-market. That's what I usually use, okay? Now, this morning from earnings, look at this, from 7, right? About 16, 19, okay, so pretty much pre-market, it gap up from 189 to 200, which is about $20. And as you guys can see during the day, it was so juiced up that it kept running. So pretty much I was able to profit 189 to 212, okay? But also, this is the thing I want to show you guys. Remember, I always talk about pullbacks. If you look at this is the 1 minute chart, okay? You could go ahead and put a 2 minute chart. It's not that bad as well. Let me go ahead and put in 2 minutes to see if it's gonna make a bigger difference, but not really, okay? Okay. Remember what we always say. You wait for the pullback, take a line, team. Let me go ahead and keep doing the same thing. The second one, the red candle, you line it up, right? The top of that second candle, as you see the reversal, which is, you could kind of say it's not really inverted. I would say it's more like a morning star candle, kind of, not even, you could call it what you want to call it. But the important thing is that you got to put a line. The moment that it breaks that line, you just ride it, team. You just ride it. There is no reason why you guys didn't make money, even though after market, like I said, from 203 to 212. That's a beautiful upside run. I can emphasize that. So the profit was there both ways, okay? Now, let's go ahead and break Nflx. Guys, ladies, I'm so excited. I've hit it both today. Ernie, I'm excited. Thanks to my research, my patient, that I'm going so happy right now because I just love it. I just love what happened. And again here, let's go ahead. And this is Nflx, okay? I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me go ahead and kind of adjust it more so you guys can see. Okay. Let me go ahead and try to time access it. This is how you do it. You go, this is the take or swim platform. I know I'm going a little fast. You apply and you just kind of push it back for you so that way you can have more time. I was skeptical, but I almost lost money in that one. But when I was trading it, I used the same pattern again, guys. One red, blue. What happened? Bam. Guess what happened, team? Like we spoke about. You could have traded 693 to at least 724. And when you see the red, you do the same thing again and you out. From red. Same position, team. Nothing hard for you not to understand. So again, at Mr. Full Profit, this is what we do. We align candle. We are technical analysis. Okay? And this is the 1 minute chart after market on Nflx. And team, again, our job on a daily basis is to try to make as much money as we can. I always emphasize Tesla. I'm going to go ahead and break down Tesla for you guys as well. A lot of people are asking me what's going on with Tesla. What do I think? At Mr. Full Profit, it's clear. When I make a decision, I stick with it. Tesla is not going anywhere anytime soon. As you guys can see, Tesla has a gap to fill. And I put this line on purpose. Once Tesla go below 214 range, it's gonna think more. I believe Tesla could go all the way down, maybe to 202. I would love to trade Tesla around that range, and as well when the MACD ends, the red and the green start curving, then I could take at least 1 month or 2 month out contract. Okay, so again, let's go ahead and break Nvda. Break all-time high. Beautiful, beautiful. But team, pay attention. Look at it. This line was drawn before it hit. And guess what Nvda did? A pull back down. Right? Earlier. But guess what happened, team? Let me go ahead and bring back up my reboot tool. Let's go ahead and put Nvda. Let's check the weekly. Look at that, team. I'm not even making it up. Nvda is going to run. Same pattern. It's on the green. Straight to the moon. At Mr. Full Profit, this is what we do here. I don't even need to. I've been doing it for so long that it just come to my head when I see it. So that's why I make money on a daily basis. If you want to join my team, go ahead to the YouTube channel, sign up for the Patreon. I'm going to be giving on a Sunday basis, 5 weekly picks. And I might be able to do more. It depends if my audience and have more conversation with me back and forth, asking me more, then I'll be able to give it a little extra. But we're going to go ahead and start with tier 1 at the Patreon channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family. And I would definitely appreciate that as well. Let's get monetizing momentum as well for the team, so that way we all can make money together as a team. So straight up, Nvda is on the upside. It's going to keep running. I'm going to buy more contracts for the long run. But again, I need this Nvda to start turning green for me to feel secure. Once it turns green and it break all-time high of 140.89, then that's it, baby. It's everything is good. Everything is good. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and close the recap. I just wanted to make it short, so that way I could give you guys a quick update. Now, before I go, I just want to give you guys something else, because I love working with my team. Let me go ahead and do something else. I'm sorry about that. Let me go ahead and do earnings for tomorrow. I know it's still, today's the 17th. Let's start with 18. We have PG, AXF, American Express, and HDB 18.3. Okay, let's look at PG. PG is okay. It started turning, but guess what? It's not matching for me. Nothing is turning yet. Okay, let me go ahead and try to get it closer so you guys can see. Remember, we need it to be above green and above green forming. Now, let's go back to American Express. American Express is looking good. Tomorrow morning, I need to pay attention to American Express. That looks like we're going to be doing something here with American Express. Let's go ahead and take a look at HD. Oh, it's only 2 of them, so that's fine. So we went out and broke, but American Express will be the next one I'm going to be looking at for tomorrow. I think I really like American Express. It seems like you want to break all-time high on the weekly chart, so that's beautiful. So tomorrow we'll be looking at American Express, okay, AXP. Look at that, all-time high, beautiful. You can't go wrong with American Express. Beautiful company. I have that as well. Okay, so team, thank you again for joining Mr. Full Profit. We're gonna go ahead and close. I'm sorry for a little time more. And best of everything that you do, stay positive, be disciplined, don't be greedy. 30% rules. So let's go ahead and get the money together. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the comments. The subscribe, the new team, the audience. You guys keep me more motivated to share more information, and we're all gonna win together when we trade together. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great one. Thank you.